Gonna do some more Deadner today. It's kind of gloomy out. Got the Deadner laid out, torch, gloves. Probably have to get a second pair. What I'm about to do, got a roller. We're gonna work on some shit. Alright, so basically what I'm doing right now is I've cut these into strips. I'm heating them up and I'm rolling them to fill some voids. Basically that's what I'm doing. I'm going to continue doing that. That's what you guys just seen in the time lapse. Just trying to fill up some space with the sundown about to flare.